Hey guys, it's Jeremy here on Metal Music Meltdown, back with another video. What we're having today, guys, is another album review. This time we check out the legendary heavy metal band Armored Saint. This is their 9th studio album, entitled Emotion Factory Reset. Just dropped on May 22nd, 2026 through Metal Blade Records. It's got 11 tracks in total, 48 minutes in length. Cool artwork on this one. I like the knight kind of one knee with the flame in his hand, like a really cool looking artwork. They got their typical logo at the top. I'm a big fan of this band normally. I like most of their albums. The last album, Punching the Sky in 2020, I think made my top 10 list, or is pretty close, like top 15. But this new album, I don't know what it was. It was just kind of a miss for me. I was kind of disappointed, to be honest. I was looking forward to the new Armored Saint. They usually rock pretty hard, good heavy metal. Kind of in the same vein normally as like an Accept or kind of a band like that, or like Metal Church or something like that. But the new album, I don't know what it was. It just felt a little flat. It felt like a little safe. Like it didn't have any balls behind it. Like there's riffs in it and guitars and like, putting some drums and stuff, but it just felt a little subdued and a little like kind of safe and just kind of like one noted. The opening track, Close to the Bone, was a good opener. I did like that song. Good rocker, like had some good riffs in that one. John Bush did sound really good on this album. Like the vocals are really good, but the music behind it just felt a little flat and a little. I don't know what it was. It just felt a little safe. Like it didn't sound like they just kind of rushed it or it just came out quick. And the second song, Every Man, Any Man, that's the first time I kind of noticed. I'm like, what is this? It doesn't sound right. It's the guitars in the mix were like low. The production kind of sounded thin on the guitars. Like everything was just kind of off on it to my ears, anyways. And then Not on Your Life was another song right after that had the same kind of vibe to it. It just didn't have the grit and like the power behind it, like they normally do in a lot of their tracks. And then Hit the Moon Shoot did have a little bit more grit. I enjoyed that song a little bit better, got better. It had a little bit more punch behind it. I enjoyed that song quite a bit. Compromise was another one that was a little bit of a better song, a little bit more standout. But overall, through the whole album, like it was just didn't wow me at all. It wasn't bad by any means. Like it had some good riffs. It sounded more like almost like a bluesy hard rock album in a way. It was kind of weird. It didn't really have that kind of like traditional metal fist in the air like they normally have. It felt like more like just a hard rock album in a way. It was kind of an odd listen to me. To be honest, the first time I played it, I was having troubles even getting through the album. At 48 minutes, it started to feel long because I just wasn't digging it as much as I normally would. So I don't know what to say about this album, guys. Like the production felt thin in parts. Like I said, it didn't really feel like a heavy. Like some songs had like the heavy metal elements and the big soaring vocals from John Bush, but then other times it kind of felt like almost like a bluesy kind of dirty hard rock album in a way. Which there's nothing wrong with that, but just it didn't sound like Armored Saint to me somehow. Maybe it was just me, but I just felt off on this album. But I wasn't a huge fan. Like it's not horrible, but comparing it to the last couple albums they put out, I just wasn't a monster fan of this one. For ranking out of 10, I'm only going to give it like maybe a 6 out of 10, like 5.5, 6. It's not horrible. Like maybe I have to listen to it a few more times to grow on me a little bit more. But it just didn't really do it for me. I don't know how to explain it. It just didn't still feel right. It just felt off somehow. Like I said, the riffs were okay. The songs were just okay. I found a lot of the songs, they just kept singing like the name of the song like over and over and over again. That kind of trope thing was, but it's like excessive. But a lot of the songs just lacked like power and like that heavy metal oomph behind it. It just felt like kind of flat to me for some reason. But it is what it is. They're on 6 out of 10. Let me know your thoughts down below. I kind of feel bad giving them like a lower score because they're a killer band. But I got to keep it honest. And this one just kind of missed the mark for me. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below for the new Armored Saint album. And keep it metal.